Transportation and travel tickets. Paris is served by 3 airports: Paris-Charles de Gaulle, the most important, Orly Airport, and the more distant Beauvais. The simplest and most economical way to reach the city center from Paris-Charles de Gaulle Airport is the RER-B train. If you land at Terminal 1, you'll need the free shuttle CDG Val to reach the train station. Purchase your ticket from one of the numerous automatic machines, which will also be valid for a potential subsequent subway ride. If your destination is Place de l'Opéra, taking the Roissy-Bus shuttle from Terminal 3 might be convenient. From there, you can opt for the economical public buses, lines 350 and 351. If you've arranged for Disneyland, you'll find the shuttle bus at Terminal 2F and those for Parc Astérix at Terminal 3. If you land at Orly Airport, you still have the option of the RER-B train, with the Antony station accessible for free thanks to the Orlyval shuttle. An alternative is the Orly bus, which will take you to the Paris-Denfert-Rochereau terminus, connected to RER trains and the subway, in about 30 minutes. From Terminal 4, you can use the Line 183 bus. Also from Terminal 4, you can choose a solution that is both economical and inconvenient, namely the tram combined with Metro Line 7. If your plane lands at the distant Beauvais Airport, to reach Paris Port Maillot, you can book an Aerobus from the official website in the description. All airports offer car rentals and taxis that can always be booked through the G7 Taxi app or alternatively FreeNow, Uber, and Bolt. As usual, I recommend using the subway or RER trains, although buses and trams are available. The ticket system for using public transport may seem a bit complicated, but I'm here to make your life easier. As tourists, we're interested in only 3 options: the Navigo Easy Pass, the Navigo Découverte Pass, and the Paris Visite Travel Pass. The Navigo Easy Pass currently costs €2 and can also be purchased at numerous automatic machines in every metro station and major train stations. Only after obtaining the physical card will it be possible to purchase tickets based on the offers presented, such as a set of 10 discounted tickets or daily passes. You can recharge the card, check the balance, and use your phone for payments through the apps Bonjour Wrapped, Île-de-France Mobilite, and SNFC Connect. Only at a ticket desk can you purchase the Navigo Découverte Pass for €5 and load it with a weekly subscription at the current cost of €30. Remember, this pass requires a photo ID and is strictly valid from Monday to Sunday. The Paris Visite Travel Pass is valid for 1, 2, 3, or 5 consecutive days. You can purchase this pass at the ticket desks and automatic vending machines in all RATP stations. For all the above tickets, always check the updated prices, validity zones, and terms of use before purchasing through the links in the description. As you might have gathered, choosing one card over another depends on countless factors, but I hope I've clarified things a bit for you. Ending notes.